Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are all doing very well today. I hope life brings you happiness and everything you wish for. Today's recipe is a Baghrir that you can make easily and it never fails. I will show you this method together with the exact ingredients. The measurements are precise and this recipe always works perfectly for beginners. Now let us begin with the ingredients for the recipe. Here I have 4 cups of warm water leaning slightly toward cool. If the water is too hot, the semolina becomes sticky and heavy. Always use warm water leaning toward coolness for successful Baghrir. Here I have 16 grams of baking powder and 1 sachet of vanilla. You can replace it with 1 small spoon of sugar, plus salt and yeast. I also have 1/4 cup of flour using the same measuring cups. I use the same cups to measure both the water and the semolina. As I told you, I have 1/4 cup of flour here. And here I have 3 cups of fine semolina for the recipe. Now I will use the electric blender and add the 4 cups of water. As I said before, the water should be warm and slightly cool. Now I will add the ingredients into the blender. First I add the yeast and then the 1/4 cup of flour. Then I add the 3 cups of fine semolina. Next comes the vanilla, sugar, or a small spoon of vanilla. You can also use a small spoon of sugar if you prefer. Now I add the salt and begin blending everything together. No, I blended it until bubbles appeared, which means it mixed well. Now I add 16 grams of baking powder to the mixture. The packet was 20 grams, so I removed 4 grams from it. Now the amount is exactly 16 grams. I've finished blending and now I will remove the bowl. You can see all the bubbles that formed in the batter. You can also see how smooth and flowing the batter becomes. Now I cover it and let it rest for 5 minutes before cooking. Now let us start cooking the Baghrir. After 5 minutes, I grease a paper towel with a little oil. The pan is still cold and only now I turn on the heat. The heat should not be too high and not too low. It should be moderate. Now I leave it like this. I will not cut the video so you can clearly see the process. You can see the final texture. Here it is. It starts cooking from the edges until it reaches the center. I wanted to show you the exact method because it always works. This technique never fails. Never. Uh, you can see how the Baghrir is full of holes. This method works every time and gives perfect results. I also showed you the underside of the pan earlier. Cool the pan slightly before continuing. Then pour the Baghrir batter gently into the pan. I continue using the same method for every Baghrir. I wanted to show you everything clearly without hiding any details. This is the correct technique and it gives perfect results every time. Here is the second Baghrir and you can see how beautiful it looks. Look at the final texture. Always cool the pan in water and listen to the sound it makes. Then place it back on the heat and continue until all the batter is done. This is the final result of our Baghrir from Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.